What's up? So for this episode, I want to talk about an epidemic. And the epidemic is toolbag DJs. Now you might be watching this and thinking, well, all DJs are tool bags. And that's exactly why I'm making this video. The truth is, not all of us are tool bags, only a percentage of us. According to my calculations, 32.6% of DJs are tool bags, and that number is getting bigger by the hour. This is something that needs to be addressed, that should have been addressed a very, very long time ago. Now, if you or someone you know is a tool bag DJ, don't get discouraged, don't worry, because in this video, I'm gonna take you through Toolbag Rehab. Toolbag Rehab consists of two parts: perception and real life. In this video, I'm gonna focus on perception because honestly, if you're a tool bag in real life situations, I can't help you. You need to figure out your life. Now, you may have heard perception is everything. In real life, you might not be a tool bag at all, but online, with your pictures, you look like the entire Home Depot store. So I'm gonna need you to listen close and follow these tips. So when you're taking your pictures, stop using props immediately. Now, props may include your mixer, your headphones, sunglasses, your vinyl. People get it. You're a DJ. It probably says DJ in front of your name. Why are you taking pictures with your equipment? Why? And also, stop doing those dumb poses. The pointing at the camera, the duck lips. Just pose regular. Like seriously, you look dumb. And people have tool bag meters. They can tell you're a tool bag from a mile away. Next, if you happen to own your own DJ company, stop saying you're the president, CEO. Are you really the chief executive officer of your company with 2 employees? Stop no one falls for that shit. I'm the president of ABC Entertainment. Like, what? Why? Just founder, owner, if you want to point that out. Just stop. You're not the CEO. You're not the president. You're not the king. Like, you're not. It's just a false title. Now, sorry for the rant. I totally realize that making a video about not being a tool bag DJ in itself is kind of a tool bag thing to do, but I'm totally taking one for the team here. Shit is getting out of hand and something needed to be done. Cue the presidential music. So, if you know a tool bag DJ, share this with them. Leave their name in the comments, and together we can build a tool bagless world, one DJ at a time. So as always, I want to thank you for watching this video. For more tip videos and dope content, hit that subscribe button.